Thank you for joining me today. So, we're starting out with some luminizer, and we're just working that in to your whole face. We're prepping our lips with some lip gloss. We just want to moisturize them a little bit before we put on liquid lipstick. We're working that cream contour into our cheekbones, our jawline, our nose, and our forehead. It's nice to get a little bit in the creases as well, just darkening it up. I love cream because it blends much more naturally than powder does. It creates a nice base. So we're just taking an eyeshadow brush and working a little bit more into the crease. With a wet brush, we're going to take the eyeshadow or the blush into your eye. With wet brushes, taking the product on wet is going to make it a lot more shimmery. And that's our goal today, is to have a very shimmery spring makeup. We're taking some white eyeshadow and again with a wet brush, working it on the brow bone. With a big fluffy brush, we're just going to blend it all together. Now, with a shimmery bronzer, again with a wet brush, we're going to work that just into the corners of our crease, just working a little V shape. And now with a dry brush, working that again over top of the wet, just to kind of set it. So now we're just going to paint on a little bit of concealer in the areas that we need to even out. Curling our eyelashes. And hydrating. Now, again, just blending in that concealer. Now we're going in with a shimmery brown eyeliner. It doesn't have to be shimmery, but, any brown eyeliner will do for this tutorial. What I found was that I needed to go back in and kind of darken it up with eyeshadow anyways to get that wing perfect. So brown eyeshadow with a brush or brown eyeliner just to work that wing out. We're taking some white eyeshadow and we're going over the top of our lid. So with that brown eyeshadow, working that wing, darkening that up. Now, a great way to shape your wing is have concealer, just a little bit of concealer on the side of your brush, and then shape the wing and pull it up. Now taking dark brown eyeliner, and we're working it up into the upper waterline. And now we're going in with the bronzer with a wet brush. Now, again, with a dry brush, we're going to just work that on our forehead and jawline and down the neck. Because we don't want to just have a dark face and then a bright white neck and chest. So we're going to go in with some pink highlighter, and we're going to put that on the lower part of the upper cheekbone with a wet brush. That's how we get that luminescence. And next we're going to go in with some eyebrows while we let that dry a little bit. And it's just tiny little strokes. Tiny little eyebrow strokes. We're going to go for the fluffy brow. And we just want to keep blending that all in. Adding a little bit of blonde brow gel. And finishing it off with my favorite brow gel that gives it that real feathered look, and it holds it the whole day. So now we're going in with a little bit more of the gold, but with a wet brush again, and we're going to put it higher on your cheekbone above the pink highlight. And we're going to add it to the Cupid's bow. And we're going to just do a little thin line up in the center of the nose. We're going to add some brown mascara. And taking some blush, we're going to work that under the eye. And then we're going to take some bronzer and just work it into the lash line. And again, taking a little bit of brown eyeliner. We're going to go for lighter brown eyeliner, but any brown will do, and working on that lash line. And then the upper waterline. We're going to define the lips, just outline them with a little bit of we're going to take some burgundy lip liner. We're going to take some pink lipstick, and we're going to blend a little bit of nude lipstick in the middle, as you can see there. And there you have it. Just finishing off with some blending of the lips. And then a little bit of pink lip gloss. And I want to thank you all so much for watching.